If you can hang a picture, you can hang your Roman shades in no time. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Grab these simple tools and let's get started. All Romans have the same basic parts, the shade itself and the necessary mounting hardware. Depending on your specific product, your brackets or screws may look a little different than the ones I'll be using in this video. That's okay though. Just use what you received with your Romans because installing them is pretty much the same too. Romans are one of the easiest window coverings to put up. Notice the slots or holes in the top of the headrail. This helps you take the guesswork out of where to place your brackets and makes it easy to attach the headrail to the window. For an outside mount, start by installing the brackets above the window. Depending on the size of your brackets, you'll need a minimum of 5/8 of an inch of empty space above the top of the window. With the front of the shade facing you, center the headrail over the window. Place a level on the shade to help keep things straight. Grab your pencil and make a mark at the top of the headrail for each slot location. Set the shade aside for now. Starting on the left side of the window, take a bracket and position it along your mark. Using the pilot holes in the bracket, mark where the screws will go. Repeat these steps to position the bracket on the right side. To make drilling in the screws easier, you may want to pre-drill the screw holes first. Don't go too deep though, just enough to get the screw started. Go ahead and drill the screws into each bracket, making sure they are level. With the front of the shade facing you, use the slot holes as a guide to position the headrail over the bottom of the drop bolts. With one hand, pull the shade up above the headrail to expose the bottom of the bolts. With your other hand, reach up under the shade and attach the wing nuts to secure the headrail to the brackets. Now that everything's in place, let's do a quick test to make sure the shade works right. Use the ring pole hiding behind the shade to pull it down and back up again. Voila! Your new Roman shades are ready to roll. If you see a few wrinkles, grab a steam iron and gently move it over, not on, the shade, while pushing the steam button to remove them. If you need to remove your shades, just lift them up and reach underneath to unscrew the wing nuts. Then, simply lift them away by the headrail. We hope you enjoy your beautiful new Roman shades from Select Blinds. If you have any questions or need any additional help with your specific product, please call us or visit our website at any time. We're here to help.